Hello everyone, hope you are having a good day. In this video, I will show you how to add a countdown timer into your SharePoint site. A countdown timer will enable you to indicate an end or beginning of a particular event, campaign, or any business activity your team members should be aware of. Moreover, you can choose to place a CTA at the bottom to let users navigate to an event page or details page where they can get all details about the event or take necessary action as required. Let me show you how you can do this in your SharePoint sites. So this is one of our communication sites here. So I will show you how I'm going to add a countdown timer into this particular site. So for that, you just need to enter the edit mode for this site first. So click on the edit icon in the right side. So the site or the particular page will be um, taken to the edit mode. So from here, we just need to add a new section first. So click on add new section, the plus icon here in the left side, and choose the desired layout. So I am choosing the full width section here. You can also choose one column, two column, or any type of column you wish, but full width is section is the best um, option you can choose to assure the best experience. So click on full width section or choose full width section. So actually in this particular layout, there will be you can only add, or you will be only able to add three particular web parts. One is the image, one is the hero web part, and also the countdown timer. So click on countdown timer. So this is the timer, and this is how it looks. You can give a title, you can also give a description right here. So I'm going to give it a new title. So this is the first few things you need to set up, and then you can click on the edit web part option here. And from here, you can choose the time, date, and time. So we need to choose a date first. So I'm choosing the next day, which is 23rd. And you can also decide a time. I'm just keeping it as 10 a.m. So there is one day and 3 hours of time left for this particular event date and time. So can also choose the format here. If you wish to showcase only days, you can choose days. I would like to showcase it as days, hours, minutes, and seconds. So I'm choosing it. You can all there's also an option to add a call to action below. So I am just putting it as say you have an event page, and or if it's about a project launch, um, if you have a project page where your employees or the members of your team can get all the details, you can place a CTA is here so that they can navigate to that particular page and get all the details necessary, or if they need to check the status and take any appropriate action, they can do it easily. So let's give the CTA name as check progress. It's not the best CTA line, but let's keep it like that. You also require to give a site link here. I'm going to give our website address itself. So let's keep it like that. You can also add a background image, as it's a very wide web part. Adding a good image will give it a better look. So let's go and check the stock images. A blank, some images with at least a majority of the page blank or plain spaces will be better. Let's see. Yeah, this will be a ideal page, I think. Let's choose that image. You can also choose the overlay opacity. It's 80 by default, but I would like to choose little more. Let's keep it as 60. You can choose accordingly. Yeah, it's about the color. I'm choosing black itself. It's yeah, we just updated the overlay opacity and the overlay color. It's okay, looking okay now. So let's just republish the page. Yeah, it's looking decent. So the page is live now, and we have republished the page. Let's check, click on the CTA icon here, and let's see how it is redirecting. Yes, it is redirecting to the link we provided, which is our home page here. So this is how you can add a countdown timer onto one of your SharePoint pages. So you can also choose different layout if you wish. For that, you just need to choose a different layout here. Click on edit section. You can choose a one column, or if you are choosing a two column, it will have a different look. Let's see what if we are choosing the one column. Yeah. So this is how it looks. There isn't much difference, but there is, as you can see, there is a space here, white space here. That's the main difference. And if you wish to place the countdown timer in any other location, that's fine too. So let me show you how we can do that. So click on add new section, and if we are choosing the vertical selection, click on vertical selection. And as you can see, the section is here now. So if you do not want to cover the entire page with the new countdown timer, just click on vertical section and choose the countdown timer. So this is how it looks if you are choosing it that way. So just keep that in mind and choose the options you want. So that's how you can add a countdown timer onto your website, SharePoint website. Hope you like this video. Have a good day.